If you're tired of being stuck inside over these cold winter months, then our Get Growing Garden series is perfect for you. Spring is not that far away, so come join us and we'll help you plan your perfect vegetable garden and landscape. During the 3-week series, we'll discuss topics like how to plan the perfect vegetable garden, all about annual and perennial flowers, and then designing your dream landscape. You'll also go home with some helpful resources from K-State with proven plant varieties that will do great in your garden and landscape. You'll learn the best vegetable varieties to grow in our local area, and you'll also go home with a personalized calendar for when to start seeds and when to transplant them into your garden. If you were disappointed in how quickly your annual flowers faded in the summer heat last year, then this session will teach you how to pick out the best annuals for your garden and also teach you how to pick out perennials that will last all year and be low maintenance. The last session will help you plan out your dream landscape. You'll be able to pick out the right plant for the right place in your yard. Having a plan is the key to a successful landscape. You'll first learn the principles of design, and then you'll even be able to sketch out a landscape design for your own front yard. This will be a great resource to take with you when you go to garden centers to pick out trees and shrubs that will do well in our local North Central Kansas area.